Today, I'm going to show you how to save $350 or more dollars on DIY, do it yourself. Change oil, service B on a 2015 Mercedes Benz ML 350. Okay, these are the parts and tools that I am going to use. Okay, we'll be needing this ramp to raise the car up. Oil, of course. This is a mobile one, European car for Mercedes, 0W40. Safety. I also had to use this stand. And this is the wrench for the oil filter, and this is the 13mm socket for the oil drain plug, and just in case, a breaker bar. And also I'll be needing 10mm socket, long nose, regular plier, Torx T25 Torx, and also the pick to take out, to remove the old O-ring gasket or the rubber gasket. This is the oil filter. I ordered this online. So this is the oil O-ring gasket, and of course the gasket for the housing, and this is the cabin filter, the double filter, and this is also for the cabin front. Okay. And this is the air filter that we are going to use. Alright? And of course, pair of gloves. Of course, face towel because it's hot today. What else? And also a trouble light because I'm working underneath. Okay? So, let's start. Okay. Now I have to take out the cover, engine cover. Okay, it's easy to come out. Look, see, that's it. It's out. We take out the engine oil cover. Put this on the side. This is the wrench, oil filter wrench, right there. Okay, we'll do that later. I had to drain the oil first. Okay, now I'm taking out the screws from the engine guard. Ready to come out. Okay, now this is the drain plug. Okay, I'm using a 10mm socket. Okay, now remember I told you that we might need this. I better use this one so I don't have to use any force at all because it's kind of hard because underneath I'm underneath the car, so I'm using this breaker bar right here. Okay, and then make sure that the socket is in, then break it. There, see, that's it. See, easy. Okay, now get ready for your oil drain pan, and then make sure that you have enough space, because once you take the plug out, it will forcefully come out the oil. So you have to be careful, slowly. Okay, see right here, I'm taking out the plug very slowly. Take your time. There. See? There. See? It forcefully came out. While I'm waiting for the oil to drain, I'm going to loosen this oil filter. This is the oil filter wrench. Oil filter in here. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take out the old filter. Just pry him out with a screwdriver, Phillips, or anything, just to pry it out. Okay, this is the old oil filter, and this is the new one. Okay, make sure that you have the same part number when you order it from the dealer or online. Okay, all right. Now just make sure you clean the housing. Put the new one in, twist it, then make sure you flip it. There, it click. So meaning it's all the way in, and make sure that it's working. It's moving. Okay. Okay, I'm cleaning the oil filter housing. Now the new oil filter is ready to go in. Hand tight, and then now before you put the drain oil plug back, you have to make sure that you change the oil drain plug gasket right here. Okay. Okay, now it's in. Okay. Now I'm going to tighten it dapat. Now I'm going to check the dipstick if I have enough oil to make sure. Here's the I think this is it. The oil is here, so we're good. I'm going to change the air filter, which is located here on this box. Okay, first, see this? I think this is the air temperature sensor. Okay, we have to take this out. There, see, it clicks. There, it's out. Okay, there. Let me see, check it. It's loose. Yeah, it's loose. All right. Okay, now we have to take out these two bolts. There you go. It's not that dirty yet. Okay, the air filters on inside here, and see this too, it should sit right there, okay, so it should snap. There. Now, one more, don't forget to put this air temperature sensor back, okay? Here, just snap it. There. Okay? And then, make sure that this will snap back. There. Now we change the air filter. Next thing we need to do is to change the cabin filter, which is located here. Okay, I'll show you. The cover is out. This is the front filter. First one is out. Then the second one, you have to slide it to the right. Okay, and then same thing. Pull it out like this. See? The double filter. Right first, and then slide it to your left. Now, this is the second filter. Now, this is the front filter. Just squeeze. All done. We changed the oil filter, air filter, and cabin filter. I did check the oil, the coolant, windshield wiper, the brakes, brake fluid, visually inspected. I saved $350 or more by doing it myself. So with the help of God, thank you Lord, and thank you guys for watching. Till my next video, bye bye.